tackle box.
Mystery tackle box.
I'm getting it.
Do you remember what we did with this box? I changed it from a Bass Pro box to a Walleye box. Let's see if they actually did it, because I did it all online. I didn't actually talk to anybody. You think they did it?
I think.
You think it's going to be walleye stuff or bass stuff?
I hope they did.
You hope they did walleye?
Yeah. Next saw guy, and probably if we go out in the ocean and fish, then shark. Or snapping turtle, because we caught a snapping turtle once. Jumping.
Well, it looks like it is a walleye box.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, well, yep. What's inside the Walleye Pro? Walleye Pro box. So it worked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 baits, looks like.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Dibble. Alright, Joe. What do we got?
Bagel balsa. XB.
Bagley Balsa XB. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
How much is that?
10. $9.99.
What's this one? Oh, crankbait.
Crankbait. Oh, yeah.
BXB04-BB-S. 3/16 ounce dives 3 to 5 feet. Walleye I fish for way deeper than that. But that's a good looking bait. It looks pretty real, don't it?
Yeah. I think if I were a walleye, I would eat it no matter what.
You think so?
I think.
Looks pretty good.
It has to catch some walleye.
I bet that would work on some saw guy too.
Yeah.
Down in Pleasant Hill. How much is that?
$9.99.
$10 for that?
Yep.
I wouldn't pay $10 for that. Okay, what's next?
Me neither. It's Bagley Balsam Minnow. $9.99.
Another Bagley Balsam Minnow 07.
Bagley
Balsam
ones are expensive.
Yeah. 3/16 ounce dives to 5 to 8 feet. This is something like I would use.
Even though it's expensive, it looks good.
Doesn't say what like color scheme it is or anything like that. Interesting. $10 for that too. Okay, what's next?
Phantom Lures Boogie.
Phantom Lures the Boogie.
$7.99.
$7.99. Boogie. Believe in ghosts. The Boogie 13 Silver Bullet. That's a big bait.
Yeah.
This is something like I would use for walleye
Yes.
up on Lake Erie.
Heck yes.
Ooh, I like that they have it printed on there how deep it goes. 22 to 24 feet. The BG13. Looks kind of like a bandit.
Looks like it.
I'll try that on some walleye. Gotta get the depth dive chart though. Okay. How much was that?
It's $8.
$8. $7.99. Okay. What's next?
Roadrunner Original Jig Heads. $5.49.
All right.
Nice. These are $5.
Yeah.
You would buy them.
1/4 ounce Roadrunner jig heads, pink, and they all have little spinners attached to them. Very nice.
Yeah.
1/4 ounce. We'll get some use out of those.
Yeah, those would work good on some
What's next?
baits.
Yeah, I'm sure they will.
Northland Tackles Swivel Head Jig. $4.99. $5.
$5. 2 swivel head jigs. They even sent a little card about this one. Northland tackle, swivel head jigs. How much were these for 2 of them?
5.
1/4 ounce parakeet. Okay. What's next?
Okay. Northland tackle impulse nightcrawler. $4.69.
Just some normal looking night crawlers. 6-inch. How much?
4.
$4. And what's next?
Okay. Big Bite Baits curly tail jointed jerk minnow. $2.
A jointed jerk minnow. $2. It's like a watermelon color. Okay. Those look good behind the jig heads, I think. They also sent another. I kind of like these cards about the baits. That's pretty cool. A little bit of information about them. Balsa XB, the Bagley one. Do not smack the Bagley Balsa XB off the water to try to clean off grass or slime. If you do, there's a good chance of breaking the bill. Alright. I mean, that's not a bad box, I guess,
Yeah.
for walleye stuff, but to be honest with you, I think I'm going to change it back to the bass box.
Why?
You'd rather have the walleye box?
Yeah.
Why?
Because then we can get more walleye.
I got a
and
lot of
eat
walleye
more.
baits, although I have a lot of bass bait too. So, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I think I'm more impressed with the bass boxes. I like the spinner baits and things like that you get out of them. And of course, we got the sticker. It's kind of a plain sticker, but I just kind of like that. Catch Co. Alright, not a bad box all in all, I would think. I'll let you know what we guys do next time. See if we get a bass box or a walleye box. You got anything you want to tell them, dude? No? Been doing a little bit of walleye fishing, a little bit of bass fishing, mostly walleye fishing.
Yeah.
Going up maybe tomorrow and then again on Sunday.
Lake Erie tomorrow?
Yeah, we ate all of our walleye. We had a little get together and fried up a bunch of it.
But you just said that we had a lot of walleye.
We did until we ate it all.
Oh.
We have like maybe 2 or 3 fillets left, and I think I'm gonna make some walleye crab cake type deals tonight. I'll let you know how that turns out. Well, again, as always, we appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Specifically liking the video. You can share it if you want. Most people don't. A lot of people don't like it for whatever reason. All you gotta do is hit the thumbs up button, right? It just helps us out. A lot more people get to see the video. Neighbor's air conditioner just kicked on, so we're gonna cut this off. Nothing you want to tell them? All right. Thanks for watching.